Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on Fitbit app. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Fitbit and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.